Let's talk about sewing sleeves either in the round or in flat style construction. To sew a sleeve in the flat, you're going to sew the shoulder seam, press the seam, place the sleeve piece right sides together to your bodice. Align the arm side at the armpits and then across the rounded sleeve cap. We'll sew the sleeve cap and press it, and then sew the sleeve all the way from sleeve hem down the side seam. To sew a sleeve in the round means that you will sew the shoulder seam and the side seam first. Then you will take your sleeve and fold it right sides together and sew the sleeve. Now you will press all of those seams. You're going to place the sleeve right sides facing the bodice in aligning the arm side and the sleeve cap. Going to make sure that you've got front matching front and back matching back, and then sew completely around to insert the sleeves. Sewing the sleeve in the round gives you more control over which way you press the seam allowance. It also lays very nicely under the arm because it curves and wraps around your arm rather than lying flat in an angle. You can sew your sleeves in whichever way you desire. However, sewing in the round is probably the best way to get the most preferred fit and drape of your sleeve. Just wanted to share exactly why we switched from the flat construction that we used to do to more of a set-in sleeve. Try it out. We hope you like it.